Hello everyone, welcome back to my nutrition foods. Today I'm going to share something that completely changed my life, vegan smoothies. Now I know what you're thinking, another smoothie video, but stick with me because this isn't just about drinking blended fruits. Let me take you back to one crazy morning. There I was, running late for work, stomach growling, energy at rock bottom. I was the ultimate junk food lover. But that morning, something had to change. Standing in my kitchen, staring at my neglected blender, I made a decision that would transform my entire approach to health. What happened next was incredible. Within weeks of starting my smoothie journey, I noticed my energy levels stopped crashing mid-morning. My skin started clearing up, and my digestion improved dramatically. And I actually started craving healthier foods. But here's the thing. It wasn't all perfect smoothies from day one. Trust me, I had my fair share of disasters. Which brings me to today's recipe, the Emerald Elixir. This is the smoothie that finally made me believe that healthy could actually taste amazing. Let me show you exactly how to make it. Here's what you will need. 1 cup of fresh spinach. This is our powerhouse of nutrients. 1 ripe banana. Make sure it's ripe for natural sweetness. 1/2 cup of frozen mango. And this adds a tropical flavor and perfect texture. 1 tablespoon of almond butter for healthy fats and creaminess. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And feel free to use any plant-based milk. And 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These add omega-3s and add lots of texture as well. You may also wish to add a handful of fresh mint leaves for a final touch. Now, the order does matter, so let's do this step by step. First, add your liquid. The almond milk goes in first to help everything blend smoothly. Then add your spinach. Don't worry about the taste. It will be masked by the fruit. Next, your banana. And frozen mangoes. Add the almond butter. And chia seeds. I'm now going to blend this on high for about 45 to 60 seconds. You want it completely smooth with no leafy bits. Look at that gorgeous green colour. But the magic is actually in how it makes you feel. Here are a few tips to help you on your smoothie journey. Always keep frozen fruit on hand. I prefer freeze bananas when they're getting too ripe. If you have fresh spinach that's about to go bad, freeze it in portion-sized bags. If you're new to green smoothies, start with more fruit and then gradually increase the greens. Want it colder? Use frozen fruit instead of fresh. Need more protein? Add a scoop of your favorite plant-based protein powder. Here's my challenge to you. Try this exact recipe every morning for 1 week, and trust me, by day 7, you will be feeling the difference. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips. Drop a comment below letting me know what you think of the Emerald Elixir, or if you have any questions. Remember, we all start somewhere. My smoothie journey began with a desperate morning and a neglected blender, and look where it led. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.